Under your seat for your small bags and boxes, and utilize the overhead big compartment for big bags such as your own.
Here,
There's a shooting star over there. Oh, I wish that we'll be safe when we land because there's a shooting star.
Hi guys, we just landed and now we're about to go to the Ubi bus going to Cubao. And see ya. Guys, just arrived here inside the bus of UB Express going to Cubao, Araleta City. Let's go. Madali ang lakaran. Anyway, see ya. Hi. Hi. Finally, we arrived here in Cubao. Hi. Hi. That's a good nap. So windy here, and we're gonna start our day today, right now. Bye. She's asking if you're okay. I don't know. She said hi.
Basta okay kayo mag-standing, it's okay. Medyo naano lang ako kasi nakatayo kayo hanggang mamaya pa tayo dito. Alright. Okay, Mariah.
She said hi. Because you're not.
We said we needed space, but all we found was an empty place. And the only thing I learned is that I need you desperately. So
What are you doing there?
You make the sound now. 3, 2, 1. Three, two, one.
Meow.
3, 2.
Meow. Meow. Muna tayo. Okay, hi guys. Dito na kami sa Vice Ganda Comedy Bar. Ayan. Kain mo na. Kain mo na bago laitan mamaya. Kain pala pinata natin. First time namin lahat dito sa Vice Ganda Comedy Bar. First time. First time namin dito. Puto bongbong. Magkano yan, te? 80?
Yung isa, ito.
Dalawa?
Apat daw, apat.
Apat? Ano yun, te? Ah, ito yung bibingka. Oh. Ay, magkano yung bibingka, te? Wow. Sandra. Ito yung puto bongbong.